Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to work on Google has not verified this app in app script in trigger section. So we are using Google spreadsheet and we are in trigger section, and when we choose account, then we see error Google has not, and then we see message Google has not verified this app. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we are going to add trigger and then click on save section, now you see choose an account. So you can choose your account. So we select account and then we see this message Google has not verified this app, and then you see advanced option and back to safety button. So click on advanced option. So we are going to verify this app. So click on advanced option, and after that you will see go to untitled project unsave. So click on it, and after that your issue will be fixed and trigger will save in app script. So after that you can deploy trigger. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.